Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create an Slidesgo presentation. Now let me show you how to use this website called Slidesgo. This is going to be super important for teachers because it will give you the opportunity to evaluate your presentations and not only use the standard templates in order to get more engaged and interactive presentations for your students. So first, what you have to do is type the official link on the searcher right here, and you can scroll down to see right here all the templates that Slidesgo have, but you have to log in. To log in right here, click on the login button, and then it will appear that you have to log in with your Google account. So I have created already right here. This is my Google Slides account. You can see right here my picture. And right here, if you scroll down, you can see the latest ones that are trending, but I recommend for teachers to use the education ones right here at the top. When you click on that tab, this is going to give you more school-oriented ones that are going to be probably easy to use for your educational presentations, as you can see right here. So you just have to pick the one, to pick the template that you like or you want to use. Let's see, I'm going to use this one right today. You will notice that they have great colors, interesting fonts, cool different features. So then you will click on make a copy right here. So you can choose this one, then you can click and make a copy. Hold on, just a little bit. Okay. You can decide if you're going to use Google Slides or PowerPoint. I'm going to use the Google Slides. After you do that, then you have to make a copy. And right here, make a copy of this document. And it's going to be saved on my drive. The first you're going to do, you are going to rename this presentation so that you can find it right here. You can rename your presentation right here. I will name it like tutorial presentation, like tutorial presentation. Then, as you can see here, you can find most of the tools up at the top are very similar to PowerPoint. One last thing that I want to show you is about this, that you will see those different slides right here. Templates have loaded, so you can pick of any of them. And please, if you're not going to use all of them, please delete all the extra slides that you are not going to use in your work presentation. And then you can start right here working on your presentation. You can add right here images, audio, video, fonts, diagrams, word art, animations. For example, these, you can change these. You can keep the colors if you want to. I'll put a presentation. And I can add animation right here. As you can see right here. Here is the animation. And you can, when you finish your presentation, click right here on the share button and make sure that you leave it on public right here. Then you can copy the link and then now you can share your presentation. Please work on your presentation so they will be engaging to your students and will be very meaningful for them. Thank you very much. Have a good day.